In a high-profile civil case that captivated Ireland and beyond, Conor McGregor, the Irish mixed martial arts star, has been ordered to pay over €248,000, £206,000, in damages after a jury found he assaulted Nikita Hand at a Dublin hotel in December 2018. The verdict, delivered by a jury at the High Court in Dublin, marks a significant legal and personal moment for both McGregor and Hand, who pursued justice despite facing immense challenges. The allegations and civil proceedings. Nikita Hand, a 35-year-old hair colorist, accused McGregor of raping her during an encounter at the Beacon Hotel in Dublin. According to Hand, the incident occurred nearly 6 years ago, in December 2018. She also brought allegations against another man, James Lawrence, 35, of Rafters Road, Drimnagh, claiming he assaulted her by engaging in non-consensual sex. However, the jury ruled that Lawrence did not assault her. McGregor and Lawrence both denied the allegations, asserting that their interactions with Hand were consensual. The case unfolded over 8 days of evidence, followed by 3 days of closing arguments and instructions from the judge. After deliberating for 6 hours and 10 minutes, the jury, comprising 8 women and 4 men, delivered their verdict, ruling in Hand's favor against McGregor, but clearing Lawrence of any wrongdoing. Hand's victory and emotional reaction. Speaking outside the court after the verdict, Hand expressed a mix of emotions. "This is a reminder that no matter how afraid you might be to speak up, you have a voice," she said, her voice filled with both relief and resolve. She emphasized the importance of standing up for oneself, especially in the face of adversity, and dedicated her victory to her daughter, Freya, and others who might find themselves in similar situations. "I want to show Freya and every other young girl and boy that you can stand up for yourself if something happens to you, no matter who the person is, and that justice will be served," she added, her words resonating with survivors of sexual assault worldwide. Hand described feeling overwhelmed and touched by the support she received throughout the legal process. Her supporters, including family and friends, were present in court, offering her comfort as the verdict was announced. Hand, who cried upon hearing the decision, was embraced by her partner and other close supporters. McGregor's reaction and appeal. McGregor, visibly upset by the jury's decision, shook his head as the verdict was read. He was accompanied by his partner, Dee Devlin, as well as his parents, sister, and brother-in-law. The mixed martial arts fighter, who has consistently denied the allegations, sat in the back row of the courtroom, positioned between Devlin and his mother, Margaret. Shortly after the verdict, McGregor took to social media to respond. In a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, he announced his intention to appeal the decision. "I will appeal against the verdict," McGregor wrote, adding, "I thank all my support worldwide. I am with my family now, focused on my future." The trial's proceedings and evidence. The trial was a deeply emotional and complex affair, involving detailed testimonies from all parties. Hand recounted the events of the night, painting a harrowing picture of the assault she endured. Her legal team argued that McGregor's actions had caused significant emotional and psychological harm, for which she deserved compensation. McGregor's defense team countered these claims, maintaining that their client had engaged in consensual relations with Hand. They pointed to inconsistencies in her account, arguing that the evidence did not support her allegations. For Lawrence, the trial brought its own challenges. Like McGregor, he denied any wrongdoing, asserting that his encounter with Hand was consensual. The jury ultimately found in his favor, concluding that there was insufficient evidence to support Hand's claims against him.